And now it's bloody recording. Alright, this is a kit I bought a long time ago. It's called the XR2206, which is not really the name of the kit. It's actually the name of the integrated circuit inside it, which is this guy here. And it comes with 3 controls, 1, 2, 3. Maybe you can make out that this one is amplitude, fine and coarse frequency adjustments. It comes with another jumper that selects between sine wave or triangular wave, which is for this output, and then this one's always a square wave and this one's ground. And currently I've selected it for the top end, which is 65k to 1 meg output, megahertz. Now on here I've got 3 probes. 2 are connected to the sine triangular wave output, which is, as I just said, set to, what is it set to? Sine wave. And the third one, which is this guy here, is on the square wave output. Then I've got a multiple of grounds connected here. So I've got one of these from the sine wave and this one from the square wave going to the scope, and then this one goes to my frequency counter cum function generator. So now if I scoot on up here, you'll see, I should have turned this sideways, but never mind. The frequency is 229.781, and I'm triggering off the sine wave. See if I can get that light out of the way a bit. Never mind. And obviously the square wave is on channel 2. Now the other one comes up into my signal generator slash counter, and it's obviously on the counter input, and on the screen I need to turn that LED off. Turn it off. There we go. You can see here the frequency is 229.0807, which pretty much lines up with the scope's frequency counter, 229.822, 229.835. The duty cycle is the same. If I put on the what we have here is a duty cycle of 4.34ish, and a duty rate of 53, so it's pretty damn near a perfect, well, it would have been have it not disappeared a bit. There we go. Ooh, ah. So it's pretty damn good. I mean, the triangular wave, well, let me set it to triangular wave. All I have to do is move this little jumper that says sine or triangular, and I'll stick it on the triangular wave, and there's the triangular wave. But it really does clip the tops with the amplitude. So if I wind the amplitude down, you get a decent, let me put the trigger point a bit better, there we go. You get a decent triangular wave. But if you increase the triangular wave amplitude, look how it gets clipped. It's almost becoming a flat top wave, somewhere between a sine and a square wave. But then tweak it down a bit, and you get a decent triangular wave. So it's not bad, bearing in mind, let me put the light back on again, always on. Bearing in mind this little kit was under £5. Took me about 30 minutes or so to assemble the circuit board. Probably took me another 45 minutes to figure out how to put this bloody plexiglass, perspex, acrylic, pick your word, case together, because they never come with any form of instructions. And this was actually relatively simple compared to some of the ones I've done. They just take forever to figure out. You build it, then realize that's not right, so you disassemble it and do it again, and so on. But anyhow, that's it. Nice little kit. As I say, under £4. I don't know about now with the stupid exchange rate, but Brexit, fuck up. Nice little kit. Very, very good. Value for money? Absolutely. Usefulness? In the right environment, if you need certain signal types and qualities, I believe it's probably better at the human audio range, up to 20k or so. Anything above that seems to get a wee bit flaky, but there doesn't appear to be any form of crystal oscillator to steady things out. So maybe the 2206, was it? Has 2206. Maybe has a crystal built in, I don't know. As you can see from this little jumper here that selects the frequency range, there's the associated capacitors going from lower value to higher value to feed into the IC. Well, that's it. It was a fun little project, and I think it might be quite useful for certain applications or certain development work. But for under £5, you can't really do better than that, can you? All right, bye.